So UI design and UX design both are scope. Both have actually different scope, but they both fall under product designing role. So when I'm a product designer, I have to have a good skill to design interfaces. That is called UI designing, and I also need to be able to solve problems. That is called UX design. So when we talk about UI designing, what falls under UI designing is most of the visual work. So say for example, you you have a product in front of you, you have wireframes in front of you, and you need to design. So UI designing involves a lot of visual elements like designing buttons, interface elements like input fields, different mobile cards that we design, different screens that we have, and define that particular visual language for the product. So everything has to be in sync. All the colors has to be aligned. There has to be some consistency between all the screens. So this is a job of UI design. So basically, it's a their job is a more visual than logical in terms of if we talk in simple terms. But UX designer's job is a little different than this. What UX designer does is he tries to figure out what kind of experience the user is going to have using this product, some product. So their job is to define the entire workflow or say user journey from start to the end, and define simple many problem points or touch points that users gonna face during usage of the product. Many different techniques that they use to kind of do research on this, try to understand what kind of problems users are facing. And so basically their job is to figure out the entire product and how what kind of experience the user is going to have using that product. And then it involves different subsections as well, like subtasks, you can say, information architecture, or defining personas, or we can have a white paper or paper prototyping, or we can have low fidelity prototyping as well, to get some early feedback on the product itself. And after this, the entire product goes into UI designer's hand, whose job is to convert this entire data, entire information, which involves a lot of wireframes and user flows, to into a kind of a visible product, which is a very high fidelity design. So then they start putting a lot of details into fonts, colors, design styles, design language, and everything into it. And then they try and create a high fidelity prototype of it. So if you have to relate between these two, the first job is of a UX designer, so that they understand the problems, understand the requirements from the stakeholders, and see what kind of solution they can provide. So they define the entire experience of the product, and then they hand it over to UI designer, uh, whose job is to convert this into visual. But it's not in exact sequence. Sometimes there are backend processes as well. Sometimes there is a larger overlap as well, and so it's a process. I mean, it works differently for every different team.